So what is Merch by Amazon? Well, Merch by Amazon is Amazon's new print-on-demand t-shirt business. With Merch by Amazon, you're effectively partnering with Amazon. You simply upload your t-shirt designs, and once your design is approved by Amazon, which usually takes anywhere from 1 to 3 hours, a new Amazon listing is created, and the shirt is then available for sale on the Amazon.com website. Then, whenever one of your shirts sells, Amazon does all the work. They print the shirt in the correct color and size, they pack the shirt, and they ship the shirt to your customers for you. So here's an example of a Merch by Amazon shirt listing, just so you have a sense of what it looks like. So here's the actual shirt with the design, and this is all you're really responsible for, is uploading a quality design. Here's the name of the shirt. You have customer reviews. You have the price of the shirt here. The shirt is eligible for Prime free shipping for members of that Prime program with Amazon. And the shirts are available with free returns. That means if there's a problem with the shirt, maybe it's damaged en route, or maybe there's a problem with the printing, you can return it for free to Amazon. All customer service is handled by Amazon. We have really no part in the customer service part of this process, which is amazing. As you can see here, you can choose between men's, women's, and youth size shirts. This particular shirt is available in 4 different colors. Now, with Merch by Amazon, as a seller, we have the option of having our shirts available in up to 5 different colors. So we can choose the colors that we want the shirt in. Here's where you would select your size, and then they have a little size chart, and here's some additional information about the shirt. Over here is obviously the Add to Cart button, and this is where people can share your shirt on social media or via email. The Merch by Amazon program was launched in November of 2015 with very little fanfare. It actually caught on early with people who are active Amazon sellers, and even today, very few people know about this amazing program. So this can be a great competitive advantage for you because it allows you to get in early and get a head start in a very exciting business that requires so little to get started. The Merch by Amazon program was originally designed as an easy way for app developers and game developers to be able to offer t-shirts or merchandise within their games and their apps to their customers through in-app ads and things like that. But the good news is Amazon did not limit the program to app developers, so it's really open to anyone who requests an invitation and is approved by Amazon. Now, in the rest of this course, you're about to find out how you can make an ongoing royalty income from the easiest business you'll ever find. Once you request an invitation from Amazon, you'll be on a waiting list that can take anywhere from 3 weeks to 3 months for approval. But while you're waiting for approval, why just sit and wait? You can begin designing shirts or getting them designed for you, and I'm going to show you a little later how you can do that. And this way, you'll have them ready and waiting by the time your approval comes in. Now, why is there a waiting list? Well, when Amazon first debuted the program, they were suddenly flooded with people, and Amazon's ability to produce shirts was not enough to keep up with the flood of people coming in. So they had to kind of put the brakes on it and slow down the flood of people. So they added a waiting period and they invested in more printers. Now here's the actual printer that Amazon invested in. It's a $250,000 digital printer for shirts. It actually can print 300 shirts per hour. It's extremely fast. It's about the size of a small car. And in a bit, I'm going to show you a larger image of this. But as you can see, there's 2 places where they put the shirts. It goes in and out. It prints it literally in seconds. It's very, very fast. So here's the actual announcement for the Kornit digital printer. It's a textile printing technology company, and Kornit Digital announced that its flagship high productivity system, the Avalanche 1000, was chosen for the on-demand production of promotional textiles as part of Amazon's recently announced Merch by Amazon program. So it shows you that Amazon is very, very serious. They're investing in these machines at $250,000 each. And chances are good that Amazon will not limit the merch program to just t-shirts. Chances are good that at some point they'll have hoodies they'll have tank tops, they'll have other variety of clothing, and perhaps even other types of merch like coffee cups and things like that. So this is the actual machine that we're talking about. Very expensive, about the size of a small car, and it prints t-shirts on demand in a very, very fast way. So just imagine the fact you have access now to this machine and everything that goes with it with Amazon.com and their customer service and all that. It's a very, very exciting time to be in business.